Today we're working on a 2014 Dodge Ram 3500. Came in with gear ratio, error, and reverse codes. Checked the fluid level, line pressures, everything looked good for that. Shifting was a little sloppy from like 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Checked fluid, it was a little dark. Pulled pan, fluid was very metallic and dark. Pulled the filter, cut it open, and found lots of metal and lots of friction material, black material in the filter. It needs a rebuild on the transmission. Sending it out for a rebuild. ASINs are less common than 68s, so we don't have a fresh rebuild on a new one to come in to be just reinstalled. So you have to send them out to be rebuilt. So this one will get the works done to it and then get put back in for the guy to haul for another 300,000. And while he was in here, he wanted to have just a peek over everything, make sure it was good for the next season. He does a lot of hauling with his hay and everything like that. So while I was doing my inspection, I found the rear diff was full of metal. Pulled the diff cover off, full of metal. Magnet was full of metal, and the whole bottom had a little thin layer of metal all of it. So pulled the bearings, found some of the bearings have nice grooves in them. A lot of them are worn out. There's just no material left on them almost. And then while we're in there, we also noticed a few other things, just little things that could cause issues down the line. Wheel speed sensor for the rear was resting on the exhaust, all melted up. Not ripped through yet, but another 1,000 kilometers, 2,000 kilometers could be an issue. And you never want that. Be in the shop and then out of the shop and then back into the shop. Front diff fluid was good. TK fluid was a little dark. We're changing it out and everything. Rear diff was obviously black. So pulled its cover off, checked the pattern on the diff, made sure it was good. Material's good on the gears and pinion. Pinion's clean, but side bearings, they do have some wear on them and some grooving. You can feel with your nail. It's probably where all his metal's coming from. So rebearing the whole diff, wash out the whole rear case, clean it out, rebearing it, and get it on the road again. We also got new rear pads for it because they're getting low. They're at like 3 mils, so while they're off, might as well change them, get them done.